Okay, hello everyone. Guys, I had to stop there. We're going to do problems 5 and 6 right now. Go to this website right here, okay, Academo. It has a dice roller on there. We're just going to use it to do these two problems, okay? The website looks like this. Once you get there, I might be able to move this over a little bit. You can see it all. There we go. All right, guys, I want to roll 2 dice. So I'm going to move this over here to 2. And I'm just going to roll automatically. Just let it roll for a while. Boom, 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 boom. And, I don't know. Try to get a couple hundred rolls, I guess, in there. Just don't go too long. We're just going to get an idea. I think that's about enough right now. I'll stop it right there. We're over 200. We got 210 rolls. Okay. Let's go back to what our worksheet says. Based on our results, if I add up the total of the 2 dice, what's the theoretical probability of having a total of 9? Let's go back to what it looks like. Well, we had 210 rolls. That's the number on the bottom. All right. Number 9, look up here. Here's number 9 right here. I come up to how high it went. It went up to about 20. We'll call it 20. Sorry, guys, that's my alarm going off. We'll go up to about 20. So take 20 divided by 210, and that's our answer. I don't know what that answer is, okay? Let's look back. What's the next thing? Based on our results, number 6, if you add up the total of the 2 dice, what's the expected value? Okay, the most common roll is probably 7. Nope, it's 8. The most common roll here is 8. You see that? 8 is the highest. So our answer is 8. Guys, and that's it. It's a short video. I just want to get those last 2. What I can do is show you what's next. And this is the worksheet we just did. All right, do the exit ticket, day 13, right there, okay? Yours will look a little different because I haven't put this video in there yet, but I will. All right, that's it. Thanks.